It took just one economic report, the monthly U.S. jobs report on Friday, to send markets tumbling, to change expectations of a Fed rate cut, moving it up to September, with odds now at 80% versus about 35 to 40% before the report. Now, it wasn't so much the jobs report and the drop in the underperformance of non-farm payrolls, but the sharp revisions to the prior 2 months that called into question the strength of the economy. And we haven't even factored in the impact of tariffs and likely price hikes in the months to come, which is going to make the Fed's job even more difficult. Compounding that was Trump's firing of the head of the BLS, claiming the jobs numbers were rigged, which in turn added to kind of a crisis of confidence. In any case, the bubble seems to have popped for the moment. We're going to look at Eurodollar and see what it shows. Very clearly, the key levels around 116 on this 4-hour chart. If that is broken, there's really nothing above it until we get to almost 118, 117.70 to 117.90. Above that is the recent 118.30 high. So this is your key level when we open on Monday. Whether it gets broken, it has to become support to put it into this area and restore that bid. Only below this 115.16 level, and then around 115 would negate the risk where market is likely to be buying on dips. So that's how we set up for Monday. There's a potential of a gap opening, and if not, this is your key level here. Probably some stops above it in the market. And that's how we look. The whole mood of the market is turned. And we haven't even started the month of August. And looking ahead, it's all going to be on U.S. data. But the key focus is on the jobs report. And with a light economic calendar, except for the ISM services PMI this week, there's little in the market to change the turn in expectations and turn in the mood from ignoring tariffs to now focusing on its impact and the impact on the economy. So that should once again keep the euro in a buy on dips mode, especially if we could hold above this 115.16 level. But 115.50 will be pivotal. If 116 gets taken out, then that becomes the pivotal level. And keep up to date, just tune into our website at www.global-view.com.